Just 5 more minutes.
It's 1 a.m. Why am I still scrolling?
We all have them. Bad habits. They control us.
But what if you could swap them for good ones?
Consistency is the key. Small steps every day.
Learn to talk about your routine. Learn to change your life.
From always to never.
Master the language of habits.
Welcome to episode 11. Let's build better habits.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Global Podcast. I am Anna.
And I am Michael. We are so happy to start this new series with you in episode 11.
Michael, be honest with me. What is the first thing you do when you wake up?
Honestly, I reach for my phone. I check my emails before I even get out of bed. It is a terrible habit.
I knew it. I am the same. I say I will exercise, but I usually just hit the snooze button.
We are all human, Anna. Habits are powerful things. They shape our entire day.
Exactly. And that is why today's topic is so useful. We're talking about habits and routines.
We will learn how to describe your daily life, your good habits, and your guilty pleasures.
We'll master adverbs of frequency, words like always, usually, and hardly ever.
And we'll learn useful phrasal verbs like stick to and give up.
So put down your phone unless you're watching us, and let's get started. Please like this video to start a good habit and subscribe for a daily dose of English.
Part 1, the morning routine, ping pong conversation. So Anna, let's talk about mornings. Are you an early bird?
Definitely not. I'm a night owl. I hate waking up early. What about you?
I try to be an early bird. I set my alarm for 6 a.m.
Wow, 6 a.m.? Do you actually get up?
Usually, yes, but sometimes I cheat and sleep until 7.
That is still early for me. So what is your routine?
Well, first I make coffee. I cannot function without coffee.
I'm the opposite. I never drink coffee. It makes me jittery. I drink tea.
Healthy choice. After coffee, I always try to read for 20 minutes.
That's a great habit. I rarely read in the morning. I usually rush to get ready.
Do you eat breakfast?
Always. I eat oatmeal with fruit. It gives me energy.
I often skip breakfast. I know it's bad, but I'm just not hungry.
Oh no, Michael. Breakfast is the most important meal. You should try to eat something.
I know. I'm trying to break that habit.
Part 2. Work and bad habits. Ping pong conversation.
Okay, so we are at work. What are your habits there?
I am very organized. I always write a to-do list first thing.
I admire that. I tend to keep everything in my head, which is dangerous.
Yes, you might forget things. Do you procrastinate?
Oh, absolutely. If I have a big report to write, I often clean my desk first.
Or check social media?
Yes, I scroll through Instagram for just 5 minutes, and suddenly it's an hour later.
That is a classic bad habit. I do that too. We call it a guilty pleasure.
Exactly. Another bad habit of mine is snacking. I eat cookies at my desk.
Me too, especially in the afternoon. The 3 p.m. slump. I need sugar.
We really need to be healthier, Anna. Maybe we should bring fruit instead.
Ideally, yes, but cookies taste so much better.
True. It's hard to kick a bad habit.
Part 3. Vocabulary and Grammar Deep Dive.
Okay, we used some great words there. Let's review them in our vocabulary deep dive.
First word, productive. Definition, doing a lot of work and achieving good results. Example, I am most productive in the morning.
Next is a big word, procrastinate. Definition: to delay doing something that you should do, usually because you don't want to do it. Example, stop procrastinating and start your homework.
The opposite is stick to. Definition: to continue doing something, to not quit. Example, I'm trying to stick to my diet.
And finally, routine. Definition: the usual order in which you do things. Example, my morning routine helps me wake up.
Now for the grammar. To talk about habits, we need adverbs of frequency.
These words tell us how often we do something. Let's look at the scale from 100% to 0%.
100%, always. I always brush my teeth.
100%, usually. I usually walk to work.
70%, often. I often eat salad.
50%, sometimes. I sometimes watch TV.
10%, rarely or hardly ever. I rarely go to the gym.
0%, never. I never smoke.
But Michael, where do we put these words in the sentence?
Great question. Rule 1. They go before the main verb. Example, I always, adverb, drink, verb. I always drink coffee, not I drink always coffee.
Rule 2, they go after the verb to be, am, is, are. I am always happy, not I always am happy.
Remember those 2 rules and you will sound perfect.
Part 4, Interactive Roleplay. Your turn.
Now let's practice. Imagine we are friends talking about our New Year's resolutions.
I will ask you questions. You answer out loud using the adverbs of frequency.
First, listen to us. Michael, do you exercise?
Yes, I usually go running on weekends. What about you?
I hardly ever exercise. I am too lazy.
Now it is your turn. Michael will ask you. I want you to answer using sometimes. Ready?
So, do you cook dinner at home?
Did you say it? I sometimes cook dinner at home.
Let's try one more. Answer using never. Be honest. Do you enjoy waking up early?
I never enjoy waking up early. Great job! Speaking the truth helps you remember the grammar. Part 5, Building Good Habits. Mini tips.
Before we finish, Michael, do you have any tips for building good habits?
Yes, the best tip is start small.
What do you mean?
Don't try to run a marathon tomorrow. Just run for 5 minutes. If you make it easy, you will stick to it.
That is smart. And also, link it to another habit.
Yes, for example, after I brush my teeth, I will read 1 page of English.
It connects the new habit to an old one. It becomes automatic.
And finally, don't be perfect. If you miss one day, don't give up. Just start again the next day.
Consistency is better than perfection.
Conclusion and action plan.
We have learned so much today. We talked about early birds and night owls.
We confessed our bad habits like procrastinating and snacking.
We mastered adverbs of frequency, like I usually drink tea.
And we learned to stick to our goals by starting small.
Now, here's your 15-minute action plan. Take a piece of paper.
Write down 1 bad habit you want to kick and 1 good habit you want to start.
For example, stop scrolling at night. Start reading 5 minutes a day.
Put that paper on your mirror or your fridge. Look at it every day.
And before you go, we have a question for you.
Are you an early bird, morning person, or a night owl, evening person?
Tell us in the comments. Example, I am a night owl because I love the quiet night.
Thank you for making English a habit with us today.
See you in the next episode of the English Global Podcast. Bye.